Okay. So in yesterday's class, we have done many things, many numericals we have solved, like where the gravitational force between the two bodies will become zero, and how to calculate the principle of superposition. That's what we can say. Gravitational field. What is the strength and how to do it and all. So we have been found finally a formula for gravitational field. E is equals to, what is the formula, everybody? It is for F by M. So the direction of force and direction of gravitational field is in the same direction. But keep in mind, this is only applicable for what mass? System of mass or only point mass? Everybody? It is only for, yes please, it is only for point mass. So if I take a system of mass, then how to solve it and how to do it and all we'll study. So actually now the question what we are going to start is actually the question which I need to give you homework in the long back. But today I will teach you and then you will understand. So let me take now semicircular ring. So we all knows that ring means, this is what we used to call it as a ring. So what is the circumference of the ring, everybody? 2 pi r. Am I right or wrong? All of you, please at least that first. If I take a semicircular ring, then what is the area? Everybody, sorry, the circumference of a ring? 2 pi r by 2, which is equals to how much, guys? Everybody, pi r. If I take only one coordinate, if I take only one coordinate, so then what is this one, everybody? Pi r by, speak, pi r by 2. So why I'm saying you this one at the beginning, we are having a use of it. So that is why I'm saying. So if it is a complete ring, 2 pi r. If it is a half semicircular ring, we have to say pi r. If it is 1 by 4th of the ring, so it will form 90 degrees perpendicular. So it is a pi r by 2. Is it okay, brothers? Padari? So that's what you have to remember it. So now, let us start with the things. So how it will be, you can notice it. So the question is, I have been considered a semicircular ring. So whose surface is this, and having a center of mass. Center of mass is point, that is what. So now we have to calculate what is the gravitational field about this point. That is what is our thing. So let me take a center of mass of this semicircular one is capital M. Well, actually this is a ring. So if I take, this is a system of many number of particles. It is not a single particle. So, but we know the formula, which is E, gravitational field is equal to F by M. It is only applicable for what mass? Everybody, please respond. Point mass. Understand? So let me cut the point mass in this. So if I cut, remember all of you, a symmetrically opposite masses I'll cut, whatever it is, you can cut anywhere. I'm cutting, this is the portion, and symmetrically opposite one I'm cutting here. Or I will cut this part, or I will cut symmetrical opposite, or I will cut this part, or symmetrical opposite. So that small mass, can I take it as a dm? Everybody, please respond. A small mass, which I will consider as a what? All of you, dm. Do you understand, everybody? So which is having a angle with the surface. Let me take it with, which is making a small. With the surface, the angle it is making a theta, and the small angle which is making as a d theta. And from here to here, we used to call it something. What is that called, Rudreswa? What is that, Pradosh? R, radius. Am I right or wrong? So I can take a symmetrically opposite mass. Symmetrically opposite mass. So this side also, if I take symmetrically opposite mass, then here also it will be theta, and this will become d theta, and this is what? R. So now if I take this one, the gravitational field of this small one, if this is the d, total is E. Total is E. Only this small mass, because it is applicable to only point mass. Now what is the point mass here? D, gravitational field of point mass is dm. So I will get it what? dE is equals to G into, instead of m, what will happen, guys? G dm divided by r square. Do you remember, everyone, this formula yesterday we have derived or not? Everybody? Yes, please respond, guys. So E is equals to capital G into m divided by r square. We have done or not yesterday? Please respond, everybody. Yes. So that is the formula we all people know. Now that I modified, for instead of m, I have written as a small m, dm. So like that, if I add hundreds of DMs only, I will get the gravitational field of total system. Means the total system, if I taken, then D of small mass plus D of small mass plus D of small mass plus D of small mass, like that, infinity number of times I have to add, so that I will get total gravitational field. Now, let me take this particular point. So across that point, we have to find it. So observe very carefully here. You have to use the again vectors. So this is what which is making with angle. Angle, what is angle, guys? Which is making with angle what? Speak loudly, everybody. Theta, which is what we used to call it as a DE. Now, as it is making with the theta, of course, symmetrically opposite side, this side also I'm taking. So here also it is making with a, what is that, everybody? Theta angle. Understanding? I can choose anything. I can choose this one or 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 this one. Your choice. Nothing will happen. I can choose even this two also. So if I choose this one, you can see they are perpendicularly, sorry, they are equal and opposite. So that force will be what? We all know mathematics what we can show. This force is equal and this force is also equal. So if I take this one as, understanding this, both will get cancelled. Let it be, that is secondary thing. So first we see that. So if it is making theta angle, so we all know that force will exert in two different coordinates. One is x-axis, another one is y-axis. So then here what is that? Everybody can tell x-axis d cos theta, and y-axis what will come? Rudreshwar, d sin theta. You understanding, everybody? So it is acting what direction? Actually, it is acting upward direction. Am I right or wrong? Speak loudly, guys. Same with this side, if I check. This is also same thing. So what will happen? This is also DE. So this will all become what? DE cos theta. And again, perpendicular one. Perpendicular will become what? DE. Speak loudly, guys. DE sin theta. So, but you tell me, for example, I'll choose this one. Pradosh, is the theta is remains constant? Is the theta is remains constant? Everybody?
Sir.
So theta is keep on varies. So, but still the force which is exerting in, see that. So perpendicularly this side, this is DE cos theta, exactly opposite to the DE sin theta. So this both the forces will become what? Everybody? Yes, plus equal and opposite will become what? This is DE cos theta and this is also DE cos theta. So both are equal and opposite. So both will be what? Total, what is the answer? Force exerted by them is what? 0. Understanding gravitational field. So now only force is exerting in what direction? G, D, sin theta alone. So cos theta is not existed. Only what is existed, everybody? Only upward direction everywhere. So what is existed? D, sin theta. So for everything it is existed what? Only D, sin theta. So instead of DE, actually the total gravitational potential energy, sorry, gravitational field is equals to, instead of DE not, it is not DE. What is that actually? DE sin theta plus DE sin theta plus DE sin theta plus and so on. So now, I hope you all understand. Prados clear, Narayan, this point? So that is what? So why DE cos theta are equal and opposite, so that there will be, the resultant will be 0 of that. Now, so it is like one particular particle. So we have many number of particles here. So we want to find the total one. So you have to apply the concept. How much, guys? What is the concept you have to apply? Everybody? Integration concept. So integration of d sin theta. So now limits. Limits you tell me. Observe very carefully. So it is a semicircular ring. So semicircular ring, I will start from 0 degrees. If I keep on going, and I will come here. So it will become how much, Pradosh? So it is varies from 0 to girls also, boys also, Pradeep, everybody. So it is 0, will come this side. Yes, guys, protractor, how much is the angle? 180 degrees. So 180 degrees means what is that, everybody? Pi. So what is the limits, everybody? 0 to? Yes, please. 0 to? Speak loudly, guys. Pi. 0 to pi. That's what it is. Now, we all know the DE. DE means what? Already we got it. What is the DE means? Everybody. GDM divided by R square.
R square.
Yesterday video, I have to watch it. Okay. So what is the limits? 0 to pi. DE means what, guys? G into dm divided by r square and sine theta. Now is it, what is the constant in this? Next onwards you say only, I'll proceed. What is the constant in this? Anybody? Yes, Mr. Rishi, Princey, can you tell me what is the constants in this? Mr. Murali? So capital G is constant. Can I take it? R is constant. And is it sine theta is constant? Theta is remains constant or varies? Theta is remains constant or varies? Theta is varies. So that it is not remains constant. So that I will get dm sine theta. So that is what it is. So let me take this is a equation number 1. So till here. So now you all be careful. Yesterday's class we have been done. So if I take any kind of things, it's a semicircular ring or whatever it is, mass m, and let me take radius r, whatever it is. So our length, total length. What is the total length of this semicircular ring? Anybody can tell? Pradosh, what is the length of the semicircular ring? That is what circumference. If I cut it and make it in a straight line, how much it will come? Full means 2 pi r. Half means how much it will come?
Pi r.
Pi r. That is what it is. Okay. So I'll get it. You can see mass per unit length. What is the mass per unit length? Mass per, everybody respond. Mass per what will happen? Mass per unit length. What is the length actually? It is pi r. So pi r is equals to, if I check where is very small mass, that is what? dm mass. Then by the time what will come? Everybody. So observe very carefully. We have already studied the first chapter. So this is the d theta and this is the radius. Then what is the length of this arc? Anybody can tell? Yes, please. R d theta. Right or wrong? So mass is dm. And first chapter we studied. Do you remember, guys? Everybody? Narayan, understand? So that is what? So which is equals to dm divided by r d theta. So r will get cancelled. So this will come this side. We'll get r m d theta divided by pi, which is equals to dm. Will you all agree with me, guys? Please speak. Everybody? All of you? Yes, please. So substitute this one in the equation 1. Where is the equation? Yeah. Substitute this one in the equation 1. So what will happen? Everybody speak loudly. So capital G divided by r square, integration of 0 to pi. In place of dm, what I can write, everybody? Yes, please. dm means m d theta divided by pi into sine theta. Now again here, something is constant. Can you tell me what is the constant? M and pi. So I'll take it that gm divided by pi r square, integration of sine theta d theta. That's all I got it. What is the integration of sine theta? Anybody? Integration of sine theta. Array, very bad, right? Integration of sine theta, ra. Integration of sine theta is minus cos theta, which is into pi. So let me take this minus outside. So minus gm divided by pi r square into cos theta, cos pi. So cos pi minus cos 0. So cos 0. Cos pi value how much, ra? Rudreswara, Pradosh, cos 180. Cos 180, ra? Cos 180 how much value? Minus
1.
Cos 0 value. Cos 0 value 1. Correct or not? So minus of gm divided by pi r square into minus 1 minus 1. So which is equals, you can see, minus into gm divided by pi r square. This will become minus 2. So minus into minus, it will become plus. So which is equals to 2 gm divided by pi r square. And it is acting what direction? Everywhere it is acting only what direction? Y direction. So vector quantity, which one will come? Yes, please. Vector quantity, which cap will come? I cap, J cap, or K cap? Everyone? Yes, please. J cap. Understand, Manya and Samya? Rishi, understand, Rishi? So this is what you have to solve it. So make it everybody. Anybody having doubt, you can ask me. For those understand, Ara? So nothing is there. We have to take an a dm mass. For the dm mass, you have to find integration with that, and you can get it everything very clearly. Anything doubt, you can ask me, or else we'll proceed further. Make it quick, everyone. Doubt? Are you clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Brothers, any doubt, Ra? Kadri, Murali, Narayan? Don't know what to say also. If you are saying only, it will be good. If not, what I can. Okay. So proceed now. Call to Rudreswar and Rohit. What happened? And somebody call. Mr. Narayan, clear, Narayan? How to solve this? Understanding? So it is not sum of the individual DE. DE plus DE plus DE is not. It is acting only upward direction. So it is not DE. It is what? DE sine theta. So it is hundreds of particles. I am making integration. So DE sine theta. And theta roots varies from 0 to 180. So how it will be varies from 180? You can go any direction. So it will goes from here to here. It is a 0 and keep on going 90 and it will keep on coming 180. So 180 means pi. That's all it is. So limits is 0 to pi. Pi means 180. Do you understand, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's all. Any doubt you can ask. Manya and Samya, are you solving? I don't know solving or not, but you have to do it. Mr. Pradeep, are you active or not, Pradeep? No information, no response. Princi, clear? So now for the same question, Pradosh. So now we want to calculate the force. For how much force is experiencing by it? That is what is our question. So we all knows that E is equals to what is the particle, the force experienced by the particle. So if I take this disk, semicircular ring, so about this point mass m, what is the force exerting about this gravitational field? So that is what is the force? We have to calculate it. Mass is m, r is radius is r. So we all knows that if any kind of a gravitational field, a point mass m and gravitational field E, then we all knows that what is the relation? E is equals to, everybody, E is equals to force by mass. Yes or no, gravitational field. So from that, F is equals to what, guys? Gravitational field into, speak loudly, gravitational field into mass. That's all. So they're asking F is equals to what? Mass into gravitational field. Just now we have calculated gravitational field. What is the gravitational field value? Everybody. Yes, please. 2 pi. Next, this one I will write G small m, the small m into capital M divided by R. R not, R square. I forgot.
R square.
Yeah, R square. And what is the direction? Which direction it is acting? J cap, because y axis. That is what. So this is what you have to calculate the force. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. I hope you are clear. All of you understand? Yes, please. Proceed now. So this is clear. How to calculate the force. So very, very important. Please learn. E into m is equals to F. Do it fast. Okay, brothers?
Yes, sir.
See, full of imagination only. More you imagine, more you can do it. That's what is my question. Okay. If this is over, please let me know. I'll proceed. Manya and Samaya are solving. At least you can respond, correct? Okay. So now I have taken a semicircular ring. Now let me take a quarter. So quarter means 1/4 of the ring. So then let us see. You have to calculate what is that. Then what is the roots and everything. That's what is the limits varies from where to where and all we have to do it. So I'm taking a semicircular, so 1/4 of a ring, just 1/4 of a ring. So I have been cut. So we all knows that if I make it, so how much it is actually? Exactly, it is exactly one coordinate. Will you all agree with me, guys? It is exactly one coordinate. Am I right? Please respond. All of you. Yes? Everybody? So now this is what is a single coordinate actually. So single coordinate means what is the angle here? Everybody? Speak, guys. 90 degrees. Correct or not? Now, we have to calculate the N, that is what? Gravitational field in X direction and gravitational field in Y direction. Both we have to find. So let us see now. I take for this also same again. I'll take a chota mass, very small mass, whose mass is dm. So I will exert it with towards to the this point center. So it is making with the theta angle, and the small theta is d theta. See, it is coming like this one. It has to come like this. So this is what d theta. So now it is acting what in this direction it is acting. So now you can notice there is what resultant force is acting in this direction. So if I take resultant force in this direction, so we all know which is making with the surface with the theta angle, then what will happen? Two components will come. So let me take this is dE. Then here what will happen, brothers? This will become dE cos theta, and here what will become, everybody? dE, yes please, dE sin theta. Now they are asking both x-axis and y-axis. So x-axis we have to find it. So you can notice it. X-axis I can take this part or this part or this part or this part. Like that, many things we can make it. So each part we have to make it. So that what we have to do? We have to apply the concept of what? Integration. So integration d cos theta sin theta, x-axis, everybody. d cos theta. Next, y-axis. If you involve, it is very easy. Y-axis, what is that? d. Speak loudly, guys. d sin theta. Understand? Now, limits you have to find it. Limits, all of you find it, brothers. Check it, everyone. If it is the semicircle, the limit is from 0 to 180. Now it is only quarter. So that limits is you can come from here to here or from here to here. Y-axis to x-axis or x-axis to y-axis? Always limits varies from where to where? Everybody. Yes, please. 0 to 90. That's all correct, guys. Speak, guys, everybody. That's all it is. So limits is equals to x-axis integration of 0 to how much, Narayan? Limit pi by 2. Understand, Amma? Limits say respond. What is the limit? So which is equals to dE cos theta. And here Ey is equals to integration. Here also limits is what? 0 to pi by 2 dE sin theta. Okay. Now, so dE value, tell me, everybody, E value x-axis, make it fast, replace it. We all know dE is equals to what is the formula? G into dm divided by, speak, guys, R square.
R square.
Right or wrong? So replace it. In x-axis, gravitational field is equals to 0 to pi by 2. So what is that? G into dm divided by R square into cos theta. So theta remains constant or varies? Yes, others not there, nobody. Theta is remains constant or varies? That is what is my question. Yes, please. You see, theta remains constant or varies? Theta remains varies. It is not constant. Understanding? Because you can see, if I take n, so it may act here, or it may act here, or it may act here, so that theta is not remains constant. So it will be varies. So same way here, Ey is equals to integration of 0 to pi by 2. dE means what will happen? G into dm divided by R square. But here what will happen? Sin theta. So here also same, x-axis and y-axis. So I have to calculate it now. So I have taken a small mass. So all of you observe the small mass is dm mass. That particular part alone I am writing now. So that is the dm mass. That is the dm mass. Who is having a d theta angle and radius r and having a mass of dm. Then what is the length of this one? Anybody can tell? Speak loudly. What is the length of this one? We all people knows. What is that, guys? R dt. Right or wrong? That's all it is. So you can see now it is just 1 by 4th only. So what is that? Mass per unit length. Can you tell me what is the length actually? Mass per unit length. How much are this, Pradosh? Speak loudly, guys. Half means pi. Sorry, pi r. Now this one is how much? Pi r by?
Pi r by 2.
Pi r by 2. So mass per pi r by 2, 2 will go up, which will become what? 2m by pi r, which is equals to kutti mass, very small mass I am taking. So for that one, what will happen? dm divided by length is what? R d theta. Understand, everybody? Clear, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So RR will get cancelled. Now you can see we want dm. So dm is equals to, what is that? dm is equals to 2m d theta divided by pi. Am I right, everybody? Sorry, pi d theta. So this is what? D theta will go up, correct? Sorry. D theta will come up or not? Yes or no? Yeah, I missed it here. So d theta will go up. So d theta 2m d theta divided by pi. So that's all is the dm value. So take it and substitute it here. So we'll get it x and y axis both. So x-axis, you can notice it 0 to pi by 2. So now capital G and R square is constant. So I'll get dm. So dm cos theta. Let me write next step. That is better. So Ey also same. So G and R square constant. I'll write gm sin theta. Okay, everybody. Now dm, you all replace it. Everybody, girls and boys, everybody replace it. All of you. What does the dm means now? Yes, respond. What does it mean by dm? Everybody. dm means what, Ra? Just now you solved. 2m 2 theta divided by
2m d
what?
theta
Yeah.
by pi.
So replace it. Narayan, understanding, Ra? Rishi. So capital G divided by R square. Integration 0 to pi by 2. dm means what? Everybody. 2m d theta divided by pi into cos theta. Same way here. Ey is equals to G divided by R square. Integration 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 dm I'm writing same thing. So 2 capital M d theta divided by pi into sin theta here. So now you can see. So pi is remains constant or not? Everybody speak loudly, guys. Pi is remains constant or not? Yes, please. And m also remains constant. 2 also remains constant. So I will take everything. So 2mg divided by pi r square. So here also you can take it outside. Speak loudly. 2mg divided by pi r square, and here integration 0 to pi by 2, that is what? Sin theta d theta. So sin theta d theta. So here integration 0 to pi by 2, that is what? Cos theta d theta. So integration of cos theta, speak loudly. X-axis. Integration of cos theta. Yes, everybody. 2mg divided by pi r square. Integration of cos theta, what is this, everybody? Sin theta. So 0 to pi by 2. Same way here, pi axis is equals to 2mg divided by pi r square. Integration of sin theta. What is that, Pradosh? Integration
Minus
of
cos
sin
theta.
theta minus cos theta, which is what? Pi by 2. Take this minus and put it here. I will put it here and I will erase it. Okay, later. Now not. Next step you can do it. Okay. So now what will happen first? Let me find x-axis. So Ex is equals to 2mg divided by pi r square. This one. Sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 means what, guys? Sin 90. Am I right or wrong, everybody? Sin pi by 2
Yes.
minus sin 0. So sin 0 we all know 0. Sin pi by 2 value how much, ra? Sin pi by 2 value how much, guys? Which is equals to 1. Am I right or wrong? Yes, ra? Respond, ra. 2mg
Yes,
pi r
sir.
square. This is x-axis. And what is the direction? X-axis means I cap. Vector direction is what axis? Everybody? I cap. You understand it?
Yep.
The same way, y-axis. Y-axis means, let us see. This minus will come up. I'll write 2mg divided by pi r square. And we all knows that cos 90 how much, amma? Cos 90 how much? 0.
0.
Cos 0 is what? 1. So this
1.
minus will become plus. So Ey is equals to x-axis and y-axis. Both got the same answer or different answer? Verify the answers. But this is what? What cap?
J cap.
J cap. This is I cap and this is J cap. Clear, everybody? Understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you all can see. So we found x-axis and y-axis, but we want to find the resultant one. So if you want to find the gravitational field, net gravitational field, because we found this is Ex and we found this is Ey. So we want to find net one. So net is acting like this. This is what? E net. Understanding? So E net is equals to, all of you observe very carefully. So these both are same only, correct? So magnitude is same. So I will write, so E1 square plus here also E1 square. So which is equals to what will happen? 2E1 square. So which is equals to what will happen? E root 2. You can take E or else you take E. That is better because both are equal. We got the equal or not? Verify it, everybody. We got it equal or not? X-axis and y-axis. Okay, guys. So I got it. E root 2. So what is E value? So E net is equals to root 2 into E value is what? Same. What is that? 2gm divided by, speak loudly, pi r square. So this is what I can write as a 2 root 2 gm divided by pi r square. So this is what is the net gravitational field in the 1/4 of a ring. So that is what you have to remember. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Are you clear, everybody? Understand, Pradosh? Rudreswar? Yes, please respond. All of you?
Yes, sir.
So this is what you have to remember it. Anyone having doubt, you can ask me. So this is the most important concept. So please try to solve this question. Make it, everyone. Don't delay it. Anything doubt, you can ask me in this. Are you clear, everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
So this is the way you have to solve. Then tomorrow I will teach you. So actually I'm having some work. So I will stop it here. So tomorrow I will teach you how to calculate the gravitational field. Like there is one concept in this. After that we'll go to the next one. So we'll solve IIT, JEE and also NEET also. Many questions every year they will ask you from this. So definitely minimum 4 more question will be there based upon this concept, finding the gravitational field. So every year almost there will be a question related to this. So that concept, that is very, very important concept. So let us see how to solve that concept and how to make it in our next class. So till here, today's class, if you're anybody having any doubt, please kindly ask me. Do you understand, everybody?
Yes,
please?
sir.
Yeah. So tomorrow morning, I will upload the day before yesterday, last 3 days videos tomorrow morning. Definitely I'll upload it. And I'm expecting everybody will make sure By tomorrow they will complete it. Okay. So you're having holiday. I think Sunday, do you have a school, guys? I think no school. Am I right? Sunday is there a school for those?
Yes, sir.
But 10th class, so, but it's okay. But on one more thing I wanted, Navya ma'am asked, somebody of you are having Noida books, that Noida, mathematics Noida. I think Mr. Narayan, someone of you are having. So if you are having, kindly, you have to give that book to madam. Okay. Yes. So please kindly make it, and morning you have to wake up and practice the rotational dynamics. Then tomorrow's class, I will teach you definitely along with the concept which I am leaving you now. Along with that, the next one big concept is there. That concept also I'll finish it by tomorrow itself. Okay. So mostly I'll finish it definitely this very soon. So once it will over, volume 1 will over, then after mid exam we'll start the volume 2. Okay. So volume 2 little fastly it will go, I'm expecting. Let me see how much it is. So this is what about it. So kindly wake up by 5 o'clock and start working. Okay. So thank you everybody. We'll meet in tomorrow's class. Okay.